Think Valentine's Day inspired Essentials bedroom tour? I am so excited to share this video with you. Today I wanted to share how I decorated my bedroom for Valentine's Day coming up. I just love how everything is so pretty in pink. I got my beautiful candle from La Jolie Muse. Then I have a little photo frame with a pink bow, my favorite beauty products, and a pretty swan with a pink rose. This is my bed. I just love to decorate our bed. I've got my little teapot and I made myself a delicious pink hot chocolate, which is my favorite drink for Valentine's Day. Then I found this beautiful little journal from CHIC. It's really pretty and pink, and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. I've got my Love Shack fancy bags, which are so pretty. Then I have some beautiful flowers. I just love to decorate my room with some flowers. Then I've made myself a delicious pink hot chocolate in my favorite little mug. It's so pretty and pink. I love the bow. And I've got this little adorable trinket box and some delicious chocolates from La Douree, which are my favorite treats. My little mug with a delicious drink and my little teapots. I just love all the pretty pink details. I've got my little heart pillow, which is so pretty. And yeah, I just love this little setup. It makes me really excited for Valentine's Day coming up. I just love all the pretty pink colors. My little mug with a pretty pink bow and some pink hearts. A beautiful bag from Love Shack Fancy. I love all the pretty floral prints. I just love this little setup. It's so pretty. And I love all the pink colors. I just love to collect beautiful mugs from the CHIC, and this is my favorite mug for Valentine's Day coming up. I just love the pretty pink bow and the little hearts. Then I have my beautiful pink journal that I also found from the CHIC. I think it's so pretty. Then I've got this little Stanley mug with some pretty pink bows, which I also found from the CHIC, and this beautiful pink bow photo frame, which is so adorable. Then I decorated my vanity for Valentine's Day as well with all these beautiful pink pieces. I just love this little setup, and I just love all the pretty pink colors. This is my mirror, and yeah, I just love this view. It's so pretty. And I've got my favorite hair products as well. I just love to decorate my vanity for Valentine's Day. It all looks so pretty. I have my little mirror and my little mug for Valentine's Day, and some of my favorite beauty products, some makeup, my little photo frame. I just love the pink bow. I found this photo frame also from the TK Maxx. I just love all the pretty pink bows. And yeah, I just love this little setup. And then I have all my favorite hair products as well. And my favorite candle from La Jolie Muse. And yeah, I just love these products for my hair. They are amazing. And I found some little socks which are so cute with a beautiful little keychain, which is so adorable. I love the macaroons and the Paris. These are all my favorite dresses. I just love to hang my dresses in my room so I can look at them. They look so pretty. So this was my little video. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye.